Hi guys.
Hello.
This is our own challenge that we're making up. I'm not really sure if this exists. Does it? I don't know.
We made it up. So
we're just gonna see how many ice cubes we can fit in our mouth. We're gonna see they're like general size ice cubes, like this, like so, small like this. Yeah. So here we go. We're just gonna put them in there, and
it melts in our mouth.
Let's have a code word.
For what?
Like what we say, so we know. Like you know how Chubby Bunny is like Chubby Bunny.
We'd be like hard burner. What should
Let's do
dippity doo.
We're gonna say dippity doo. Okay.
Here we go.
All right, go. Oh, there's cinnamon on that. Ugh.
So okay, just
okay.
Eat it.
Go.
Dippity doo.
Dippity doo. Dippity doo. Oh, there's cracker. There's cracker on that. Keep cracker. Oh, too. Dippity doo. Dippity doo.
This isn't working. Oh crap! What did it do?
Dippity doo.
Dippity doo.
Ooh. Ooh. Ew.
Let it go.
It's so cold.
Let it go.
I just got 5. That was my record. Let's see if I can
4.
beat it. 1. 2. Dippity doo. 6. Dippity doo. There. 4. Dippity doo. There you go. 5. Dippity doo. 6. Dippity doo.
This is harmful. Don't do it.
It hurts. It burns.
It will have cinnamon on mine. Are you speaking English?
Okay, so they melt, which is good. But it's colder than an igloo. Have you ever tried to stick an igloo in your mouth?
That was in my mouth.
Oh, show the camera. Show the camera.
That?
You can see this is covered in crackers
and cinnamon. I'm gonna try to do this whole bowl of ice cubes, and I'm just gonna say dippity doo. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Don't choke. There's 4.
Dippity doo. I hate that challenge.
So yeah, subscribe, comment. I really hope this doesn't exist because we patent penned this challenge.
Oh yeah.
Try it please and show us what you did because we feel like proud parents if someone tries this because we gave birth to this challenge. Oh, that's kind of.
You want to see our mess?
Oh yeah.
Here we go.
Go ahead. You can take this one sheet. It's really gross. It's really gross. This is after all 3 challenges that we've done so far.
Get a load of this. That's all the cinnamon.
Cinnamon. Oh yeah. Oh yum.
That looks like throw up.
Thanks for watching.
Subscribe to Will You Go.
Comment, like, favorite, talk to us because we like to talk back.